Hello and welcome back to Springlock Lab Animatronics. Today I'm finally showing my current day animatronic and most advanced one yet, the FNaF 1 Endo. This is going to be my new generation of Endo lines. I spent a lot of time designing it to make sure that it would have the best features I could possibly have at this point in time. Here for the jaw, there's a small 3D printed joint I made here. I've only been experimenting with that. It means no screws there. You just put it on and it still smooths perfectly. The same eye mechanism in the last video has also been used here, as you can see. And it has the same good design, which means that both the eyes can open and it has more smooth eye movement. Along with this, the neck connects on to a slide-on base, which means that I don't have anything that's permanently attached, and if something breaks, I could just swap out the head and it would act like it never happened. If I plug it in right now, I can show you the animation. As you can see, the eyes open along with the jaw, as these servo motions are the same. I connected the wires the same. And then the eyes do the same motion and it closes. I think you've seen this animatronic in the short where I was first presenting it as a preview. Right now, it is still kind of in development, as I'm still working on the model in Tinkercad to make sure everything is worked out and that when I put a shell on it, it will work seamlessly. I've already gotten prepared for that, as in the shell, it's not perfect square. It has some things like a bar here, pieces cut out here, and actually an entire little piece placed in here. The whole reason for that is that when the shell comes on, it'll have little clips, and those will slide in and hit them. So that means it'll hold the structure, but it won't be a permanent shell. If it works, it means that the Endo won't have to become a permanent new animatronic, like the other ones. As if I bring over, you've seen this in a previous video, Spring Bonnie, he was forcefully kept in the shell with glue and nothing could be replaced. But with this, every part is separate. The jaw, to the eyes, to the entire frame. Everything is its own endoskeleton, which means once I put a shell on it, nothing will change and it will stay the exact same. In fact, I have old shells that never got put to use here, and you can see that very thing. Like if I slide this over, it still works, but the eyes are moving fine. These could be taken on and off. It could become any animatronic it wanted to. And the next video, it could do much more. It's, again, still in development. Some parts haven't been fully modeled. Like the jaw, I never fully planned out, so this was roughly glued here. Unlike the other servos, which have their own mounts and pieces they can slide into. So maybe in future versions, I'll add a mount for it. But right now, this is still the best I have. In my next video, I will present the body that goes with it, which has moving arms and a neck, though it's not connected to the neck yet. And then I can start coding animations and show those. This is the end of the video. Please consider subscribing and sharing with others, along with liking the video. Thank you and goodbye.